Hey there, so in this video we're going to set up a video lightbox. So first we need to add a section, and then we need to use a content area modal element. So this is already a lightbox, a ready-made lightbox. So we just need to grab our video embed code. So let's pick a video here in Vimeo, and then let's pause this video and just grab the embed code. So copy this code and paste it to the content area. So let's click this, and as you can see here, the content, the modal is square, and there's text underneath the video. So let's first remove the text, and let's eliminate the space here. So let's first take note the width of the video is 640. So go to the modal menus, and let's set the content max width of the modal to the same as the video width. So it's 640, and then we'll need to eliminate the padding. So set all of this to 0. See, it's linked, so it's set all of the values to 0. And let's see what else we need to fix here. So let's eliminate the box shadow, and then let's just set the content background to transparent here. So the modal is set up, so let's go back to the content area, and we'll first make this video autoplay. So according to this documentation, the autoplay should be this syntax should be used. So copy this one and paste it after the URL, so like that. And let's save this, and we need to turn dynamic rendering on. So let's not set this so you can see the effect, so you can see why this should be turned on later. So let's first set up the video thumbnail here. Regretfully, there's no automatic way to grab the video thumbnail from Vimeo or any third-party video hosting sites. So let's set up the thumbnail manually. So let's go to toggle, and then go to graphic setup and enable the image type. And then let's just set up the image first. So let's say this is your video thumbnail. Insert that, and you'll get this out of the box, but don't worry. Let's first set the width of the toggle to, let's just make this span the whole width of the container. So let's next eliminate the border radius, so set that to 0, and then Let's also eliminate the box shadow here just for demonstration. Eliminate the margins, and then let's deal with the image aspect ratio. So to do that, you need to set the graphic image max width. Here, let's maybe set this the same as our video, so 640. So we're done. So this video autoplays. So let's save that and let's view this in the front end. So let's click the thumbnail. The video autoplays, but if I close the video, you'll still hear the sound of the video because in the background the video is still loading. So that's why you need to go to content area again and turn dynamic rendering on. So what this will do is if you close the video here, it will remove the video content from the page. So the video will not load after you've clicked the close the modal, and the video will load again once you click the thumbnail. So hope that helps.